GED is recognized not only for being the leader in state-of-the-art automation, but also in design and manufacturing. The glass cutting table starts with a heavy-duty frame made from steel tubing. The entire structure is stress-relieved and finished off with a double coat of paint. The tabletop is made of water-resistant pressed wood and covered with long-wearing, non-abrasive felt carpet. The airflow system is generated by a powerful, high-volume, high-pressure blower and motor. Glass is transported using 4 long-wearing drive belts made up of durable interlocking links. Glass positioning roller. The unique design means glass can enter from almost anywhere on the free-fall table. The stationary positioning rollers are tapered for minimum contact with the glass edge, thus minimizing wear. The operator console now comes with a large 20-inch monitor where operators can easily review batches, patterns, and yields. The electrical cabinet is well ventilated with a commercial air conditioner to reduce component failure. And of course, all GED electrical systems are designed to meet UL standards. The cutting system also includes an aisle ramp to protect the wires between the control panel and the cutting line. The cutting bridge is equipped with a cutting head designed to cut any shape. It is a very high-precision, computer-controlled 3-axis unit, capable of scoring in the X, Y, Z, and combination directions for superior shape handling. Up and down strokes of the cutting head are pneumatically controlled. The cutting head is a floating design that produces superb scores and accurate breakout for glass thickness from 3/32 up to 5/8 of an inch. It is made of alloy steel spindle parts and a lightweight aluminum body. It's easily accessible, allowing quick and simple cutting wheel replacement. The cutting head travels on a dual rack and pinion system coupled to temper precision guide bars, driven by an AC brushless digital motor. AC brushless digital motors provide efficient cutting bridge operation and reduce weight stress on moving parts. Digital motors mean longer maintenance-free motor life, and replacing motors or amplifiers no longer requires retuning. The 6000's S-curve ramp-up reduces wear on the dual rack and pinion system, thus reducing stress on the bridge and assuring precision cutting for many years. Smoother acceleration combined with a maximum cutting head speed of 4,000 inches per minute provides a 10 to 15% improvement in cycle time. With digital technology, tachometer cables are no longer required. We've specified the longest flex-rated cables made, with a typical life of 4 to 5 years. All of these improvements mean your glass cutting will be more efficient than ever before, and that means higher profits. You may wonder how GED consistently comes up with state-of-the-art automation technology. The answer is simple. It's